Good afternoon, Manufacturing All-Stars, and welcome to this episode of Manufacturing Happy Hour. Today, you are going to learn how to accelerate your project cycle time while ordering engineered equipment. I'm joined by Jordan Rogers from the Configured Products business. Cheers, Jordan.
Cheers, Chris. Thanks for having me.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So, for our customer audience out there, what is the Configured Products business? What do you guys do?
Well, the Configured Products business offers a broad portfolio of standard products, mostly focused on the enclosed combination and non-combination products that you can see behind me here, including the NEMA, IEC, and soft starters. We also offer a bus bar system.
Okay.
We have our modified industrial controls group that can basically handle any custom component job that a customer may need, as well as configured open style starters.
So take me through, like, let's say someone needs to order one of these enclosures or one of these pieces of equipment. What does that project look like? How does it make it easier for our customers?
Sure. Typically a customer would go through ProposalWorks, or a distributor would go through ProposalWorks, and they're able to actually configure products, or MCS Star as well, or any of the other product selection toolbox programs that we have. They're able to fully configure a starter to meet their solutions, or also customize and in many cases get a price for that custom job right directly from ProposalWorks. A lot of our digital documentation is also available there for download before an order is placed, so that a customer can really speed up their project process.
Well, that's pretty impressive, because it sounds like you can configure these things in ProposalWorks, like you mentioned, in ProposalWorks, MCS Star. These are free tools that all have downloads to below this video. What are some final thoughts you might want to leave folks with before we end the video?
All of our products are manufactured in our UL manufacturing facilities, and we've industrialized them for consistency over time. And really gotten our lead times down to in some cases 48 hours. So a customer can really order place to delivery in 3 to 4 days in many cases. And then again, any custom job can really be satisfied through our modified industrial controls group.
Great. Well, whether it's like kind of off the shelf, whether it's more of a custom solution, this is your group. Jordan, thanks so much for being on the show today.
Thank you, Chris.
Cheers.
Cheers.
For the rest of you out there, stay innovative, stay thirsty, and we'll see you back here on Manufacturing Happy Hour real soon. Cheers.
Cheers.